Hi, Jen here from Jen Michelle Coaching, and today I want to talk about how to get a man to want to spend more time with you. If you're new to my channel, I would love to invite you to subscribe. I release a video Sunday of each week. This is a question that I receive from women all the time. How exactly do I get a man that I am interested in to really give me his time, not only his time, but his presence as well? And so let's talk about 3 things you can do. Number 1, this is counterintuitive, but it's really about giving him total freedom to choose to spend time with you. Because if we start to apply pressure to spend more time, or we lead from us talking about what isn't working or what he's doing wrong, he's going to feel like a child being reprimanded by his mother. And we really want to give him the complete freedom to figure it out, to feel inspired, and to really want to be with us. And this is something that women don't often do. And when we don't do it this way, it creates a complete energy of expectation and obligation, and it feels bad. It feels like something he has to do, and he no longer feels excited to figure it out and move it forward in a really natural, authentic way that allows us to feel just like we're being cherished and like we're really the top priority. Number 2. This leads me to talk about just really lowering your investment and your emotional expectations in general, because our actions speak much louder than words. We can talk about what we want or what we don't want till we're blue in the face, and it's really not going to make as big of an impact as it would if our actions do the talking. And that means that if he's not really showing up for us in the way in which we want, we don't over compensate for that, but we decrease it and we say, okay, like if he's not really showing up for me, I can't give all of my energy and expectation and attention to this either. When we just put out that energy of waiting, we usually get more of the same. We get more waiting. So it's critical that a woman really get her focus and energy off of him and onto other men and to other areas of her life, so she can give him the freedom to really choose her, and she can maintain feeling confident and secure about who she is by not over investing or putting more energy into a situation where he's just not showing up, really letting her actions do the talking in this way. Number 3, be easy to be around. And the only way to be easy to be around authentically is to do the things that I just suggested, which is lowering your emotional investment where you are not all consumed by it, and that you are doing things to really nourish yourself and to feel good about the woman that you are and who you are in the relationship and what you have to contribute, dating or relationship, whatever your specific situation is. But if you're able to really take care of yourself and say, okay, I'm going to see what this man's capable of, but I'm keeping all of my possibilities open and I'm not putting all of my energy and attention onto this, you will be easy to be around, because you're not going to feel resentful like you're putting your life on hold while he figures it out. And then you'll be able to just spend time with him, take it for what it is, keep lots of possibilities open, and as a result, he's going to feel this deeper sense of freedom to pursue you, and it's going to feel good to be around you because you were an easy, drama-free woman to spend time with, and you're not forcing or trying to make him do anything he doesn't want to do, which in turn, of course, allows him the freedom to do exactly that, to move things forward, to connect to your heart, and to feel safe to do so because there is no expectation or force involved in the situation. These 3 things can be very challenging, but I have seen them transform just cycles as well as relationship patterns that perhaps women have been caught in for years. If this is a topic that's of value to you or that you would love more information on, please go to my site at jenmichellecoaching.com and check out my Create a Forever Bond program there. This program will dive deeper into some of our attachment wounds and some of the tendencies that take over when it comes to love and relationships. Have a great day, and I'll talk with you soon.